Making connections and building an impressive resume is important for college students. Thursday, the Sorrel College of Business hosted a LinkedIn seminar to help students create an online business profile.
Well, as a graduating senior, it's very pertinent to be on the lookout for jobs. And so I believe that this LinkedIn seminar Ms. Rouse gave really showcased how to have a competitive resume online through LinkedIn.
Students learn how to properly create a professional LinkedIn page to help them get noticed by potential employers.
One of the things I think is really, really important is that they know how to prepare a good resume, and then how do you get that resume noticed? How do you get noticed in our world of electronic media? LinkedIn. LinkedIn has 500 million users and 10 million companies, 9 million job postings at any given moment.
Smith explains how she believes the seminar will help her boost her profile to stand out against other employees.
Something that Ms. Rouse highlighted was the recommendation option on LinkedIn. And so I believe making connections with former employers and coworkers and instructors and asking them to give a recommendation based on your work ethic and character, I believe that that will set you apart from other prospective employees whenever employers are looking to hire.
Adoria Hughes, TrojanVision News.